Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can limit download speed in Steam. So guys, if you only want Steam to download in certain speeds and you want to limit it, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. So just go ahead and open your Steam app first and make sure you're signed in. And after you've signed in, you just need to open your Steam settings. So you can either just go to the top and find Steam and tap on preferences, or you can just use the command and corner button. And after you're here, all you need to do is find downloads, which is right between library and storage. Just go ahead and tap there and now search for limit download speed. So it should be right under download region. So if you want to limit download speed, make sure you turn this button on. You can also choose the limit in kilobits per second. So just enter whatever number that you want. And in this way, you can successfully limit download speed. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.